Hello, in front of me I've got REALME Buds Air 3 Neo. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning, go to REALME link app. Confirm, got it, and tap plus in the top right corner. Log in to your account. Enter password. Allow. And now tap plus in the top right corner. If you can't find your earbuds right here, go back, but we've got them here. Tap next, got it. Allow location permission. And go back. You can also enter pairing mode if the phone can't scan for your earbuds. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.